Hello everyone, I welcome you to another episode of Veo 3. As we all know, Veo 3 is a cutting-edge AI model designed to generate realistic video clips from text or image inputs. This tool has made filmmaking, content creation easy as possible. Today I will be showing you how to access Veo 3 that is worth $125 to $250 for free. Make sure you watch this video to the end. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would like you to do that now, because I will be posting premium content like this all the time. And don't forget to comment, like, and share it to your friends. Thank you. Before we dive in, let me show you some of the Veo 3 clips I have generated.
All right, I don't see any human out here. I'm planning the trip to Hawaii, you know?
Sophia and Peter, your love life is young and beautiful. Don't ever forget that.
You're not gonna beat me, kid.
Oh yeah, is that so?
Okay guys, that was an amazing clips generated using Veo 3. Before we begin the process, I would like you to know the requirements needed for this tutorial. Right, Veo 3 was officially available to the US citizens. Students in the United States has also been granted access to explore the AI tool for free. And that is exactly what we are going to do. Recently, Veo 3 has been distributed to few other countries. The first requirement for this tutorial is a new Gmail account. Secondly, you will need a VPN, though I have outsourced other VPN, but I strongly recommend Nord VPN. I will put the link in the description of this video. The next requirement is a student email with .edu extension. If you don't have, I will show you how to generate a temporary .edu email online. All links used in this tutorial will be listed in the description of this video. A credit card / debit card or PayPal account is needed as well for this tutorial. Take note, your debit card or PayPal account will not be debited, it is just for verification purpose. And lastly, you can use either your phone, laptop or tablet to follow along. Here is a quick recap of the requirements needed for this tutorial. I assume you already have everything listed here. Now let's get started. First, you have to connect your VPN. If you are using laptop, I advise you to add the NordVPN Chrome extension to your browser and log in your VPN there as well. Now that our VPN is connected to United States, open the incognito browser and paste this Google link. I will leave it in the description of this video. Log in your new Gmail account you created. Click cancel, click skip. As you can see, as a student in the States, you get free upgrade of Gemini 2.5 Pro and Veo 3 for 15 months. Now let's proceed by clicking verify student status. As you can see, it's asking for a student email. In this part, you will need a student email that ends with .edu. Go to this website, tempumail.com, generate a temporary mail and verify. Copy the temporary email and use it to verify your student status. Then go to the tempumail.com and refresh to get the verification code. Then you will see this part where it said you are eligible for Google AI Pro student discount. Click continue. When you get to this page, click start trial at the bottom. In this part, you will choose any of the payment method. I'm using a virtual dollar credit card. You can apply for one online. This website called Bitnob can issue a US virtual card for you. Find link in the description below. Now we have added our payment card. Click subscribe to proceed. Click go to Gemini Pro. Now that we are inside the Gemini 2.5 Pro interface, we can still generate Veo 3 videos here. The only difference is that you can generate 4 videos daily. To access the main interface of Veo 3, open a new tab, search for Flow, then click the first link. Click Create with Flow below. Click Get Started and then sign into Flow. Now, this is the main Veo 3 interface where you are given 1000 credit each month as a student to generate videos using Veo 3. There are 3 options here, which is text to video, frames to video, and ingredients to video. The last option is the Ultra plan. It is not included in the Student Pro access. Now let's generate a video with a prompt I have used before. To do that, chose text to video, change the output per prompt to 1, chose settings to Veo 3, quality beta studio. This option is the highest quality. Take note that the Veo 3 quality use 100 credits to generate each video. Like I said earlier, each student Veo 3 account you create comes with 1000 credit. The good thing is you can create as many Gmail as you want and repeat the process this way. You will have more Veo 3 students account to generate more videos. Now let's generate a video as an example using this prompt. The video is generating. If you want to get good result, make sure you use a good prompt. I have libraries on how to prompt it for good result. Check the description of this post and join my community where I post different open source AI models to make your work easier. So that's it, guys. This is how you can access Veo 3 for free. You can repeat this process with multiple Gmail accounts. Check the description of this video and join my community for more free AI softwares and content like this. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share this video with your friends. Thank you.